today I'm doing kind of a different video. My dad's right there, so this is super awkward because he's probably just going to be laughing at me the whole time, and he's always in this room. So I'm going to be making a peach cobbler. I've never made one before, but I love baking, so I thought I'd do a baking video for you guys. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. You guys can follow along or watch this video and follow along later, but I'll let you know how it goes. So what you're gonna need is brown sugar, and then regular white sugar, unbleached or regular just flour, it doesn't really specify. You're gonna need 6 cups of peaches. I basically just got 3 cans because there's 15 ounces in each of the cans, and that's about 45 ounces, which I'm pretty sure is about 6 cups. Then you're gonna need baking powder, cinnamon, I have 2 just because there's not a lot in both of them, milk, and then butter as well. And so it's pretty simple, there's not a lot that you need, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna combine the peaches with sugar. So take all of these. What? That's looking at me so weird. 1 cup. I'm a little bit low on peaches because it needs 48 ounces, but I don't think it really matters that much because how do you truly measure how many cups is in each peach is? What? You can interact if you like. A real glorious sound. So, my dad's right. I don't want the peach juice. So I'm just gonna drain all of the peach juice. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna do 3/4 cup of sugar. So I got my 3/4. Oh, it says divided, so 1/2 cup of sugar. What? Why do you keep looking at me like that? Because I'm messing up?
I'm not looking at you like anything.
So I took my 1/2 cup sugar, put that in there, and then it says set aside. And then it says to preheat oven to 375. Okay, so my oven is preheated. Hello? Oh, good. I thought my whole voice thing wasn't recording this whole time. Pour butter into the bottom of a 2-quart baking dish. So I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of butter, which is a whole stick, and it has to be melted. So you have to put it in the microwave. You probably should keep it kind of warm in the first place, but it's fine. And I'm letting that microwave for a few seconds. I'm doing 30 seconds. I'll probably keep an eye on it because I always overcook butter. These instructions are honestly really bad because they say things like they don't tell you when to do a new batch or bowl of things. What?
Where's the money?
This is my little brother Sam. He's gonna go get us ice cream for our cobbler. So I'm just mixing my butter to make sure it all melts. And I'm gonna put it off to the side. And then in another bowl, I'm going to combine flour and baking powder. So it's a cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, honestly never made anything like this before, so I don't know if I'm doing it right at all. Especially because these instructions are kind of horrible. So baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and then 1/2 teaspoon. My flour, baking powder, salt. So salt. It says 1/4 teaspoon salt. For brown sugar, it's 1/4 cup. I got my 1/4 cup. And 1/4 cup of the remaining white sugar. Perfect. Okay, and then mix. I'm gonna take this spoon and just mix it. Oh, and I'm supposed to add the cinnamon. 1 teaspoon. Teaspoon 1 of cinnamon. Let's see if I have enough in here. It says to mix it really well. So I'm trying to break up all the little kind of bumps that are in it. And then next I'm gonna add the milk, which is 3/4 cup. Milk. My mom says never to use these things to measure out liquids, but I don't know if I agree with that, so I just use them anyways. Never seem to have a problem. Oh, I almost just dropped that all over the floor. That would have been so bad. Stir just until combined. Okay. Looks like it's combined. Now I need 2-quart baking dish. Okay, so the butter is supposed to go across the bottom of this. And then it says to spread this over this. I don't really have any room right here. Okay. This is really hard to do with the microphone, guys. Just gonna put it in my... Okay, that may look weird, but that's what we have to do right now. Oh, I'm spilling. Making baking videos is really hard. Not gonna lie. This is a hard task. This really doesn't look right. I don't know if I agree with this recipe at all. I think I'm getting pranked right now. If so, I'll let you guys know, and this whole video is a flop. Whoa. Whoa. So I did that. Now what? Oh, great. Apparently that's the end of the instructions. So, this sucks. I'm gonna go look online. Oh, it just didn't print. Top with peaches and any juices. Okay. Okay. Not gonna lie, I don't think that the sugar mixed with these peaches at all, which is a problem. No, because it all clunked up. It doesn't say to like mix this at all. Not gonna lie, I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out whatsoever. So we're gonna put it in and see. I think I messed it up. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I don't want to dump them. But now it says to put in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes. I just spilled it down the front of me. This is really hard. Okay, I'm gonna set a timer for 45 minutes. Start. And I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, so here's how it's turned out. Looks right. Kind of looked weird in the pan, to be completely honest. And I wasn't really sure if it was done. Next time I definitely will drain it more with less juices. But you gotta pair some vanilla ice cream. And there we go. Looks pretty good. still really hot. Can y'all see me? I have no idea if this is on me at all. I don't know, but let's try this out. Oh, it's so hot. I think I'm gonna burn myself. This is actually really, really good. Maybe I didn't mess it up after all.
Oh, that is insane.
Is it good? Actually,
so good.
you don't have to lie.
It's good. Is it like a mango?
Peaches.
Oh my gosh. That's insane.
That's really good. It's actually really good. I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be really bad because it just kind of looked weird and I put too many juices, I think. Next time I definitely will do less juices. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned from this video how to make peach cobbler. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.